Hello, guys. Welcome to Software Design. I want to share my experience with you as a graphic designer in Nigeria, especially Makodi, as the case may be. As a designer, you'll be coming with that mindset or with that kind of base that, sincerely, I'm here to actually make a living with this graphic design skill. But most people feel that graphic design is color, 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 color. No, it doesn't work like that. And basically, it's for you being a graphic designer means that I am here to make a difference through visual creativity. I'm trying to give information in the best way, simpler for somebody to see, at least even at the first glance. So, what is that thing giving you that motive? What is that motive for you? What is that inspiration for you to become a graphic designer? So please stay with me on this channel. We'll be learning so much ranging from different softwares. I'm a corridor based designer. I'm also a Photoshop designer as well. So we use different softwares depending on the project we are working on. I'm familiar with laying books from Corridor, flyer designs with Photoshop, and then for other applications as the case may be. And then in the use of AI, we are in the AI community right now. For the AI, it's advisable you have a knowledge of the industry-based software, of which you also go with. And I heard somebody asking me, do you use Canva? Canva is also a very good application. But for handling bulky based works, it's advisable for you to actually stand in with the industry based software so that you understand very well and get a good knowledge and understanding of all this. So thank you, and I'll be working with you hand in hand, and together we can at least achieve something.